increasingly popular among gamers, typists, and professionals due to their responsiveness, durability, and customization options. Buyers often compare switch types, build quality, layouts, and overall value before making a purchase. Similarly, tattoo artists require precision tools that deliver reliability and performance. This guide evaluates the best professional rotary tattoo machines based on motor performance, battery life, build quality, ergonomics, versatility, and overall value to help artists find the ideal machine for their tattooing style.
Product number 1. Masked Archer Cordless Tattoo Pen Machine, Rotary Tattoo Gun with Powerful Motor by Metcor. The Masked Archer Cordless Tattoo Pen Machine has become a favorite among professional tattoo artists thanks to its outstanding combination of portability, power, and precision. Equipped with a high-performance Metcor motor, this rotary tattoo pen delivers smooth, consistent needle movement that excels in both lining and shading applications. Its cordless design eliminates cable restrictions, providing artists with greater freedom of movement during long tattoo sessions. The lightweight aluminum body is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue while maintaining excellent control and balance. Battery performance is one of the Masked Archer's strongest features, offering extended operating time suitable for full-day appointments. Voltage adjustments are intuitive, allowing artists to fine-tune performance for various tattooing techniques. The machine's low vibration and quiet operation contribute to a comfortable experience for both artist and client. Whether you're creating fine lines or large color-packed pieces, the Masked Archer delivers professional-level results. Pros: powerful Metcor motor, fully cordless operation, lightweight ergonomic design, long battery life, excellent for lining and shading. Cons: premium price point, battery recharge required between sessions. Product number 2. Ambition Soldier Rotary Battery Pen Tattoo Cartridge Machine. The Ambition Soldier Rotary Battery Pen Tattoo Machine combines modern wireless technology with impressive performance. Featuring a Japan-made cordless motor and a substantial 2400 mAh battery, this machine offers consistent power delivery throughout extended tattoo sessions. One of its standout features is the integrated digital LED display, which provides real-time voltage monitoring and battery information. This allows artists to maintain precise control without interrupting their workflow. The cordless motor produces smooth, stable needle operation with minimal vibration, making it suitable for detailed line work, smooth shading, and color packing. Its balanced weight distribution enhances comfort during prolonged use. The 2400 mAh battery delivers extended runtime, making it an excellent choice for busy studios and convention work. The durable construction and professional appearance further elevate its appeal among experienced tattoo artists. Pros: powerful Japan cordless motor, large 2400 mAh battery, digital LED display, stable low vibration performance, excellent battery runtime. Cons: slightly heavier than some competitors, premium investment for beginners. Product number 3. Tattoo Gun Kit Cartridge Tattoo Machine Kit WTK-070. The WTK-070 Tattoo Gun Kit is an excellent entry-level solution for aspiring tattoo artists and beginners seeking a complete setup. Unlike standalone machines, this comprehensive kit includes essential tattoo supplies, allowing users to begin practicing immediately. The rotary tattoo pen design offers smoother operation than traditional coil machines, making it easier for newcomers to develop proper technique. The machine supports cartridge needles and delivers reliable performance for basic lining, shading, and tattoo practice exercises. The included accessories add significant value, reducing the need for additional purchases. Its lightweight construction provides comfortable handling while helping users gain confidence during extended practice sessions. Although it lacks some of the advanced features found in premium professional machines, the WTK-070 remains an excellent educational tool and starter package for individuals entering the tattoo industry. Pros: complete beginner-friendly kit, affordable package, rotary pen style design, cartridge needle compatibility, great value for new artists. Cons. Product number 4. Ambition Soldier Rotary Battery Pen Tattoo Cartridge Machine with 2400 mAh power. The second Ambition Soldier model continues the brand's reputation for delivering professional-grade wireless tattoo equipment. Featuring the same dependable Japan cordless motor and 2400 mAh battery system, this machine is engineered for versatility across multiple tattooing styles. artists will appreciate the smooth voltage output and responsive motor performance, which help maintain consistent needle penetration throughout sessions. The integrated LED display simplifies monitoring and adjustment, allowing quick changes without disrupting workflow. Its wireless design promotes mobility and convenience, particularly for artists who travel between studios or attend tattoo conventions. The durable frame and premium materials contribute to long-term reliability under demanding professional use. Whether you're focusing on black and gray realism, bold traditional work, or color tattoos, this machine delivers the consistency and control required by serious artists. Pros: reliable Japan cordless motor, long-lasting battery system, wireless convenience, digital voltage display, professional-grade construction. Cons: slightly bulkier than compact pens, higher cost than entry-level machines.
Product number 5. Masked Archer Wireless Tattoo Pen Machine, 5-star Series Pro Rotary Tattoo Gun. The Masked Archer Wireless Tattoo Pen Machine from the 5-star series represents one of the most refined rotary tattoo pens available today. Powered by M-Core motor technology, it delivers exceptional stability, precision, and efficiency for professional tattoo applications. The wireless design removes cable clutter while maintaining consistent power throughout lengthy sessions. Artists benefit from its ergonomic shape, lightweight construction, and balanced feel, which help reduce strain during intricate work. The machine excels in versatility, handling lining, shading, color pocking, and fine detail work with equal confidence. Its smooth operation minimizes trauma to the skin while promoting consistent ink saturation. Battery life is excellent, making it suitable for demanding schedules in professional studios. Combined with premium build quality and dependable performance, the Masked Archer 5-star series remains one of the top choices for serious tattoo professionals. Pros: premium M-Core motor technology, exceptional precision and consistency, wireless operation, lightweight ergonomic body, suitable for all tattoo styles. Cons: premium pricing, best suited for serious artists. Choosing the best professional rotary tattoo machine depends on your experience level, budget, and preferred tattooing style. The Masked Archer models offer outstanding all-around performance with excellent ergonomics and powerful M-Core motors. The Ambition Soldier machines provide impressive battery life, LED monitoring, and reliable Japan cordless motor performance. Meanwhile, the WTK070 tattoo kit delivers exceptional value for beginners entering the tattoo industry.